love it. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Paris. We had such a fun time last night. The Eiffel Tower, we were gonna try and get a time lapse and get some more footage, but we were too busy enjoying ourselves and hanging out with our friends. But today, where are we headed now?
Going to Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur.
Sacré-Cœur. So Sacré-Cœur is a very famous church here in Paris. Oops. And the Montmartre neighborhood is supposed to be like a very artsy, kind of bohemian area of Paris. So we're gonna go check it out, maybe get a coffee. We have a lot of other fun things planned today. The weather right now is okay. It's pretty cold compared to yesterday, but it is supposed to start downpouring soon.
So we got our rain jackets and umbrellas, so we were prepared.
Yes, and on to Sacré-Cœur.
We just ran into the friendliest runner that we've met in Paris. So.
We've actually met a lot of friendly people here.
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Ah, yeah. Well, we were gonna take the funicular up to Sacré-Cœur, but Google Maps did that funny thing where instead of taking you to like the entry point for the funicular, it takes you
to the exit point, to the top of the hill, or you can write it down.
Yeah.
But we're already halfway there,
yeah,
so
we're just gonna
walk it up.
Yeah, good old Google Maps. There's more stairs.
More. What do you think there?
Oh, it's so pretty. It was worth all the steps. So we're taking a hard pass at going in to see Sacré-Cœur because the line is like a mile long. Plus it looks like they're letting people in right now, but the last time we were at a church like this and they let this many people in, it was like packed in like sardines and I had a panic attack. So the building's very beautiful from the outside, so we're gonna take a look around and check out the views of Paris. I just love it. Who's gonna poke him? I don't know, that's like this is the best one I think we've seen on our trip so far.
What we got here?
Art stuff.
Art!
This is the area I think where, I don't know, all the artists came and now there's people doing like live paintings and caricatures and stuff. Let's go explore. Giving a little love and support to our good old German YouTube friends, Maddie and Sasha. It's a little sticker. We gotta get stickers.
It's a little cold and windy, so we stopped for some coffee and
I got a hot chocolate. Video was all supposed to be about how to do Paris on a budget, and we have definitely blown it. So it's turning into something else. We have a lot of very loyal Buy Me a Coffee supporters who, when they saw we were in Paris, they ended up sending us several coffees. So we're gonna go ahead and splurge the rest of this trip, I think.
Yeah. Coffee and good food. Cheers.
And thank you to those of you who did buy us coffees while we're here in Paris. If you'd like to buy us a coffee as well, we'll leave the link in the description box below. All right.
It's Catman.
We made it to the love wall. It's got love written in like 150 different languages or something like that.
So cute.
Even the city of love, even in the rain. All right, let's go get dry. On this nice and rainy day, we made it to a cemetery, Pere de Lachaise. I'm gonna go see Jim Morrison's grave, maybe Gertrude Stein, maybe, and Oscar Wilde's also buried here. So see what we can find. Hit in a little bit, but probably easier to find when it's not in the rain. But here we are, Jim Morrison. Wore my shirt underneath there. Got the 27 Club in Hanoi.
People who don't know, what's the 27 Club?
That's a club of young artists and musicians that passed away at the age of 27. Jim Morrison being one of the first, Janis Joplin, Hendrix, a few others there, Kurt Cobain, people know as well.
So it's a curse number.
Yeah. So I'm glad we made it past 27.
And so it's kind of cool, like they've blocked it off so you can't really walk up exactly to the grave, but the barricades are plastered in different music stickers. And then over here there appears to be what is like a gum tree where everybody's been sticking gum around it, and they've wrapped bamboo around it to prevent people from sticking gum to the tree, and now they've just stuck it to the bamboo. So yeah, but there's not enough gum to make it look interesting. It just looks like there's a bunch of lazy people throwing their gum out. We've just made it to Paris's biggest indoor food market. We're so excited to show you guys all the delicious food we were gonna try, and it's closed on Mondays. Our bad for not checking the times, I guess, but we are literally drenched. My feet are soaking wet. It is pouring rain. So we're just gonna head to the nearest cafe and have a drink while we figure out what kind of food we can go find.
So after having a cocktail, figuring out the game plan, Evan's feet were wet and cold, so we had to go buy new socks and boots for her. And I got a little jacket, beanie, and some warm clothes for the rest of the adventure.
Yes, and now we're hungry, so we're heading to La Entrecôte de Paris.
Yeah.
It's a steak and french fry place, and we already had steak and fries yesterday, but this place comes highly recommended from our friends Marshall and Amy, and we're gonna go check it out.
Let's have dinner first. So we're so close. We gotta go see the Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah, we're just like 15 minutes walking, so we're gonna head that way, check it out. Never seen it before, then we'll have dinner.
And back to dinner.
Alright, so the area we're in, I think, is called Champs-Élysées. It's a huge shopping area with lots of fancy stores. And there's a line down the block to get into Louis Vuitton right now. This is wild. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It's probably not coming off very like large on camera, but it is freaking huge.
Yeah, no, it looks pretty big on camera too, so.
Oh, good. Yeah. We gonna go out?
Yeah, okay. Want to? Go check it out? Alright, let's go check it out.
Crossing another thing off the bucket list. Oh, there'd be an elevator. Oh, look. We were over there earlier.
Yeah, way over there.
Here last night.
You can see it.
Oh, Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
We were there. We've been all over. What a great day.
We did it!
That was a little scary coming down. If you're afraid of heights, just be warned. So we finally found a place to eat dinner. First we went to the wrong place, then we went to the right place, and the line was like 70 people deep to get in.
It's pretty crazy.
Yeah, so we ended up at this place behind us. You probably can't see it. Called
Lachaise.
Lachaise. And we had steak and french fries and a beautiful bottle of wine. And to top it off, we had our first creme brulee in France. The first of many.
Very good. Evan shared a little bit with me. It's very nice of her.
Yes, it was. You're welcome.
Thanks.
Anyways, that's going to do it for this video here in Paris, because tomorrow we take a bus to another part of France.
Yeah, we do. So we gotta catch the metro, get back, pack up, and get ready to go.
Yep, we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!
Cheers!
Away!
Oh my god.
So romantic!